English Unveiled, Discovering Modal Verbs. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an interesting aspect of English grammar, modal verbs. In this video, we will focus on understanding the characteristics of modal verbs. This knowledge is absolutely vital in mastering the English language, so let's get started. First off, let's clear up what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. The common ones include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. An important thing to remember is that these verbs never change their form, which means they are invariant. You don't add an s for the third-person singular like you do with other verbs. Moving forward, let's discuss the specific characteristics of modal verbs. These attributes are what set them apart from other types of verbs. 1. Invariance. As mentioned, modal verbs do not change their form. No matter the subject of the sentence, the modal verb stays the same. 2. Followed by an infinitive. Modal verbs are always followed by the base form of a verb, also known as the infinitive without to. For example, she can swim, not she can to swim, or she can swims. 3. Absence of to. Unlike other auxiliary verbs, like to be or to have, modal verbs don't use to before the infinitive. 4. Negation. Modal verbs are negated by simply adding not after the modal verb. For example, he might not come. 5. Questions. When forming questions, the modal verb is simply placed before the subject. For example, can you swim? It's not just about how you use modal verbs but also what they mean. Let's take a quick look at some of the common modal verbs and their uses. 1. Can, to express ability or possibility. 2. Could, to express a past ability or polite request. 3. May, to express possibility or permission. 4. Might, to express a slight or uncertain possibility. 5. Must, to express obligation or strong belief. 6. Shall, to express future action, especially in first person. 7. Should, to give advice or express something that is probable. 8. Will, to express future or willingness. 9. Would, to express polite request, preference, or hypothetical situations. These modal verbs help you to express your thoughts more accurately and make your English sound more nuanced. And that wraps up our introduction to modal verbs. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these verbs. Try to use them in your daily English conversations and writing to get a good grip on them. We hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights into mastering the English language. Happy learning, language explorers!